Hi, want to know how to add a contact to your favorite list on WhatsApp using your iPhone? By doing this, you can quickly add your most important chats and calls in your favorite list. In this video, I'll show you how to add a contact to your favorite list on WhatsApp. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the WhatsApp app, then tap on the chats below. Now press and hold on the contact name you want to add to the favorite list. Look at below. You will see an option called Add to Favorites with a heart icon on the pop-up. Now tap on Favorites from the top. Here, you will find the favorite contact you added. You can do that in another way. Tap on the settings icon below. Now tap on the lists. Here you will see the Favorites option. Then tap on the Add People or Groups. Now select the contacts from your contact lists. Then tap Done from the top right corner. And that's it. In this way, you can add a contact to your favorite lists on WhatsApp using your iPhone. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.